My name is Josette Louissaint. My neighbors knows me. A lot of people here know me. Leo, my friend, he's a Spanish man. When I went to Haiti last year, he came to work for me. And then as soon as he walked in the house, he said, "Who are you? Are you a woman of God?" I said, "Yes." What he said? I said, "I felt something." And then he said, "You're going to have to pay me $500 because I know it's a little job, but for me, from Marietta to come here, if you see all of the decoration upstairs, that's him." And then I said, "Okay, I want it. God will provide." And then after I gave him the check, he said, "No, I'm not going to take money from you because you are a woman of God." I said, "No, take half of it." Take half of it. Then he accepted. The next day he said, "Do you have an account?" I said, "Yes." And then I was about to go to Haiti because that's my line, doing ministry work. And he said, "I deposit some money for you." I thought it was $200, $1,500. Thank you. Give to familia. I know you speak. So before we start, we're going to have to pray because I believe in prayer. God, this is my source, the source of my life. I don't do nothing. Even when I'm drinking a cup of water, I present it unto God. I am very godly, crazy about God.
Yes.
So he raised me up. All the glory belongs to him.
Amen.
If I go to the store, I see this one, it costs $10,000 or $10, I will pay a penny for it.
Yeah.
Everywhere I put my foot, I got blessed. That's the blessing God gave me, right?
That's right.
They know me since 17 years in the neighborhood.
Wow.
Fighting, struggling, stand up, stand up, back up, falling, back up again. Hallelujah! Oh, glory to God.
That's right.
Back up again.
That's right.
So now I had a vision since 4 years ago. That's why you all reunite tonight to know. God put it in my heart to go to Haiti. It was ministry before. Now it's about presidency. And I can. I would like to go to be a mother for the country. If I can raise 2 children, one is 38, the other one 36, the baby is 19. 19 years old. Jean knows. Sometimes I cry. Said, no, Josette, sometimes, whatever the faith you have, but somebody can come and bring you up. So, this is why we are here tonight. And I appreciate you all to answer to be here tonight. Before we do the prayer, I'm going to sing a song. God gave me the opportunity to go and sing and learn how to sing opera. This is my first time singing it. If you hear something that sound not too good, that's my first experience. So don't try to look at me because you're going to see big mass, big face. So I don't want to be intimidated. So don't, look at me, too much. I don't know. So can somebody turn off the radio from upstairs? She's new, a new friend. She might not know. He can take care of that song. Yes.
Oh, bonsoir, mesdames et messieurs. Good evening, everybody. I'm just going
She
to
gonna
move up
translate.
English and French. Anyway, it's a pleasure tonight. It's a very, 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 great pleasure to have you here. So the reason we are here is just my best friend, Josette Louissaint. I don't remember since I met her, because we grew up together in the south part of Haiti, the town of Haiti, of Jeremy. We grew up, but I know her as a fighter. No, she's a big fighter. She can turn anything that has no value into something. If somebody's trying to beat up, one little girl, in the classroom, she's ready to just, put her behind and then try to defend her. So this is her. She's a woman of faith, a great woman. I can say so much about her, so much. She can do a lot for Haiti. She can save our little country. She can save it with her faith in God, with her diligence. She's very creative, doing things. I think she's a good asset for Haiti. So that's why me, as a friend, as a sister, I'm behind her. That's what I can say tonight.
I think there's a pastor around us.
Okay, Sonny, what do you
Can you lead us in prayer?
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
We're going to pray. Merci Seigneur pour ta présence. Merci Seigneur pour ta fidélité. Nous te demandons, Seigneur Dieu, de nous accompagner ce soir. En ce doux moment, Seigneur. Votre présence, Seigneur Dieu, est importante pour nous. Nous vous prions, Seigneur, de bien vouloir nous aider, Seigneur Dieu, dans tous nos projets, dans toute notre décision, dans notre vie. Seigneur, tu es digne de louange, toi seul. Merci pour votre présence. Dans le nom précieux de Jésus-Christ, nous te prions ici. Amen.
Et puis, on n'a pas beaucoup à dire, mais nous sommes ici pour avoir tout un bon moment, pour manger avec madame, pour fêter avec madame, pour célébrer avec madame et pour aussi pour joindre madame de sa grande ouverture. Et bien nous allons manger ensemble avec madame. Bien ça?
We are here tonight to celebrate with Josette with her dream that God put on her mind for the presidency in Haiti. So we're here to have dinner with her to celebrate and exchange ideas about the project.
If any one of you have a question, don't be intimidated to ask her.
To ask her. And we also will do a fundraising. We do have an account line up for everybody, whatever you want to give. So we do not have a price line as far as like 100, start from 25 and up, whatever you want to give.
Now, I would like to ask a question. I'm not very familiar with the Haitian ways, but sometimes I do hear things from Haiti, that if you don't live in Haiti, you cannot be the president of Haiti. I'm not sure. Or you can't come from any other place and then go. Because I remember the last time there's someone that wanted to be a president, but then since they said that he didn't live in Haiti for 5 years, he could not be.
But it's different for me because since 2007, I was doing that manage.
Over there.
Going back and forth, spend 1 month,
Permissions and
2 weeks.
Oh, okay.
And then I have a home in Haiti. I can eat here and go get water in Haiti.
Yeah.
Kind of built up a foundation a couple of years ago in Haiti, where she's been helping throughout the country. She has different things set up for the kids, like orphanage and help. So she's been doing that for a couple of years.
Well, anyway, as she said, I take her word for that. When God say yes, nobody can say no.
That's it.
So even the door can be closed for anybody else, but because she believes and the Lord push her to do the job, that's what counts.
That's her faith.
And we rely on her faith. But we know there is a problem, as you say, a couple of years ago. But I believe they try to change the wall. And it's in process. So as she said, she already been there. She doesn't live there, but she got a property, she got things there going on. So that's won't be a problem as far as I know.
Thank you.
I mean, it's not like you have to leave it. It's just, back and forth.
I'm not sure of it. It's just that I think I heard something like
That's right.
That is a good question.
Yeah.
That's a legitimate question.
Because I think someone was a millionaire from another country and then went there and then right there for yeah.
So the point is that you see what's wrong with house, was living here.
Her ministry is stable over there. She has a great ministry over there. A lot of people over there, where she's looking after them and in several disasters. So that's counted.
Anybody else have a question?
That's the problem.
I believe there is a water. There's a why if we bought for whoever wants.
She wants to ask a question.
And so while we're here, we believe we probably as a family, open yourself. Don't be shy. Stay someplace. Ask any question you want to ask because the question deserves an answer. Right?
Yes, the question I'm about to ask, you probably already mentioned since I'm late. I just wanted to know what is the name of the party, that's one. And second, since we mentioned that we have an account, what is the name of the account? And when is that we want people to start, the fundraising or donating to that cause?
We start tonight for the fundraising.
What's the name of your?
And the name is Appel A L Action. That's mean together. We're going to work. We are not going to sit. We know what is missing there. We're going to fill up the empty place. So that's why we have, you hear me?
Yes.
What is the name?
Appel A L Action.
I think the English word is sandwich. Sandwich. Yes.
Okay, so, alors, to eat all the way, no?
Hello, everybody.
So basically,
Bon, there is a seat here.
so basically you already have like an account with the name of the party already established.
Yes, Nicole, she's secretary.
And
what is the name of the bank?
And the account number, all this information will be needed.
Mr. Bradley,
If
there's a
I-
question for you.
What is it?
There is an account.
What was the question?
If you already have an account established,
No, we don't have an account yet. We have a name, but an account, not an account.
So when they're gonna be?
The account should be by Monday. Coming Monday, we should have the account. It was supposed to be established since last week. For some reason, it wasn't. But by Monday, we should have an account. With Bank of America or Wells Fargo. So that should be done by Monday. As a matter of fact, we might have two of them. One with Bank of America, one with Wells Fargo. However, whomever needs to donate anything to the cause, we'll have the privilege to do it sometime next week also. We'll have the name of the organization, and we'll have the bank account and everything else, and it will be online also. It will be online. But as of tonight, we just want to welcome all of you and acknowledge you with the cause and let you know the reason why you're here. If you feel like embracing it, you have time to think about it and embracing it, and we all will be welcome. As of all of us sitting here, we've been meeting for the last 5 weeks together. We love the idea, we like the idea, and we feel like Haiti needs someone like Josette Louissaint. And we embark on her back, and we are with her. So, then again, we will welcome your presence, your encouragement, your thoughts, of course, your financial too. We will welcome your finance. So, I was getting late on the hours for this evening. Let us start eating together. And the food, I believe, the young lady said the food has been served. We all can start eating, and while we're eating, we can talk. We don't have to wait forever for the food to get cold. Okay? We need to eat and talk. Okay?
The fact is, I want to add one thing. If you have any question before you leave, and she's gonna give you a phone number. And if you have any question later on, you can call her, and she'll be willing to pass it to you.
I was going to suggest something as
Yeah,
well.
the suggestion.
I was going to suggest something, maybe we can all put our name, email address, and then our phone number.
That's a good idea. That's a good
And then
idea.
that way you have all of our information, and you can pass on when there's updates and things like that.
And I know it's very hard. It's very hard to comprehend something like that. And I'm an old man, and I'm old Haitian man. Been a travel a lot, and I knows people, and I seen people. But I believe for you to come over here to see a woman, I say, I'm not prejudiced, okay? A woman says we want to be president of Haiti, and most people that know the story of Haiti. It's up and down. But I believe there should be one day something change. And what I believe as what we really need now is a leader. Because Haiti has been suffering for about 213 years. As a matter of fact, for you, they said no, it is the first black country independence in the hemisphere. 213 years, or we're the first, we are the last now. I mean, I'm sad to say that, but it's a true fact. We got year after years, coup after coup, and then you name it. But I don't believe that's the end of it, because there is a Lord for that. If the Lord take the people of Israel, even though He's standing for 420 years, now Haiti is only 2013. That means something could be done. So now what we really need is not only your money, is your support. Because I believe she got something. According to what she said, to what I see, and if she got what the Lord gave to Moses or Joshua, if the Lord could give her what He gave to the other prophets, I think Haiti will move it on. So now, please, I will greatly appreciate it if you give a good thought of where she want to go. And not, I don't think that she's relied on you here tonight, but she relied on your friend, your family, your acquainted. And then when you go home, if you are the people of the Lord, put Him in place. Say, the Lord, is that a good thing to do? I want you to show me what I have to do. Not to listen to her, but go get some direction. Maybe that school works. If I have more, I'm not a good speaker as a prophet. I don't want to stay all night to talk. So really, once again, thank you for the first part. And now we're gonna go for the second part. We're gonna get some food, Haitian food. Haitian food.
Very good.
Picante. We got rice and beans and carrot and banana and lamb véritable, poulet. We got all Haitian things. Except we don't have a one barbecue. Okay?
No, people going to drive, we don't need no one.
No, we don't want that.
I want that.
So please do us a favor. Do us a favor. Ask questions. If you don't ask questions, there won't be no answer. Ask questions. You don't come here for just come here. Hey, there is nobody going to drive in Georgia in that dark street to come here because you want to come here to eat. No, you don't come here for that. You come here for a reason. And I want that reason to go inside of you. And I say, yes, I heard something tonight. I'm going to think about it. Thank you. I see you there.
Thank
You should do it.
Let Josette start with her table.
Okay. Christy, are you ready for us?
It's not required. Can you come up with the food?
How about the way the water goes this way? When you say that, that's fine. I have
Você vive, vem me active.
And then M-O-O-N. So you see, that's what I'm saying.
The next time, Baba can run like a Baba.
No.
She cannot do that.
That's your that's your demo. And it's only so much room. What you don't want me to do? Go there. I'm encouraging it. It's there. Me, I'm the one who does it. Okay, go. You got it. You were having some with it already. Whoever like this is me and this one to me. Right here? Okay.
Are you leaving?
Le téléphone, monsieur.
Okay, we just passed that.
Twin? Okay.
So, that you're going to do something for the Lord and for people. You know, everything you do, you got to
He will, and I know he will. So, Leo,
Yeah.
do whatever you on your heart, okay?
We have to realize that the Lord did more than we can do for us, you know.
Yes.
The Lord gave Himself for us. So we had some type of way we had to do something for our brothers, you know. We had to show the love of Christ, you know. That's the main thing. Yeah,
Okay.
it's not us.
You have my phone number.
Yeah,
Call
okay.
me. On Monday, we're going to open the account.
Okay.
So I will tell you
Yeah.
whether Wells Fargo or
Okay.
Chase Bank of America. So I will
Okay.
call you to give you the
All
update.
the
So,
information, yeah.
right, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right,
Excuse me,
so-
may I say something? Mr. Leo, would you mind sharing your opinion with us tonight regarding what's going on here? What do you make of it? What do you understand of it?
Well, this is not gonna be my first time helping her. Okay, like she shared with you guys, everything that she do for the Lord to help the others. I'm gonna be here right next to her, and not only to her. I got another pastor. She's a lady from Panama, and we work together too, because
the Lord have shown me what, and He gave me the understanding that how much we are how precious we are for Him. Okay, and now I cannot say that, Lord, thank you, and then have a seat. We have to do something. We have to show the world who we are.
Yes.
You know, we have to be that light and make that difference among the others.
Yes.
You know, so
Well said.
you know,
Thank you, Fleo.
great guy. You know, I always love him. Yeah.
Yes.
So it's all I can say. Like I just told her that everything that she's going to do, just do it on the Lord's name. You know, and just do it. Don't just come with the idea, but make the first step.
Work it out.
Yeah, work it out. Yeah. No matter what. It's better try than not to do it. We gotta do it. Even if we don't make it, we have to try.
That's a try. That's right.
You know? Yeah.
Because someone tried
Yeah.
from heaven to earth, and he made
And
it.
he made it.
And we're
Yeah.
gonna make it.
With him.
We're gonna
yeah.
make it.
Yeah.
Mhm.
With him. Yeah.
Yes.
So I will say thank you for everyone. I'm nervous.
Leo, I need your other number.
Okay, I don't come over here to do business, but everybody asks me my number.
No, they have work. They have
So Leo, do you also have your business card with you or?
No, yes, I have.
I don't, I just,
Leo is an expert.
That's why I asked for his business cards.
I don't have no business.
Excuse me, my dear?
Yeah. Oh, monsieur,
Me?
vous pouvez me marier par là?
Sandy,
Café grise.
So,
Carte Église.
just give me a call and
Okay, I will call you. Thank you so much for coming, Leo. God bless you. Okay, all right.
so you guys have a good night, and I hope God give you peace and grace so you can speak to others and show who you are. Okay? Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good night.
Leo.
All right, nice to meet you, Leo.
So, that's fine. Don't tell me you're leaving too.
Sure. Dame el teléfono.
Ok. Si pas où l'élève, parce que pas où.
704
Vous n'êtes pas qu'il est non,
08.
I'm Gene.
Jim.
Madame Josette, c'est lui plein courage. Il plein courage, elle est pleine de courage. Il est forte. Parce que l'homme pour une décision comme ça, c'est pas seulement un grain qui voyait l'antenne, mais nous espérer que le grain ça, il va faire un gros pied bois, et puis il va gagner des branches, et puis apporter des fruits. Donc à cause de ça, moi-même, et puis tout un team qui est avec lui, Pasteur Esther, Madame Nadège, Monsieur Guy Etienne, Monsieur Bill Chéri, Monsieur Valmé, oh my God. Donc à cause de ça, nous voulons présenter. Oh, Phil. Ce sont des poteaux solides. Poteaux solides. Donc on est que le arche a été sorti, pour te cacher, il y a des taureaux. Eh bien, monsieur Sage, ce sont des taureaux. Valmé, Prophète, et Guy Etienne, ce sont des taureaux. Donc, taureaux, ça va camper derrière Josette et puis pour arriver au but. Donc, à cause de ça, vous présentez le bouquet ça ce soir.
Before I ask the question, There was someone earlier who mentioned something which I feel that it's a great idea, but I haven't seen, I don't know if we forgot, to pass the notebook where everyone can write their names and stop networking their names and their phone number and email, because after that, you know,
Yes,
you're not gonna remember. So that's why.
So ça a fait fin janvier pour commencement et février.
C'est mon point bon pour nous déjà connaître, sauf si a commencé by fond, puis commencé ça a fait là parce qu'il y a toujours pas de paquet de postes qui déjà comme depuis l'on pas commencer à aller dans le terrain, après les dépenses, à bosser des bagailles. So, qui veut dire que moi ça est important pour dire ça. Et puis on va quand même ajouter, moi-même moi mis madame Josette, moi le travail qu'il fait, l'été gagné when there was the hurricane in Haiti, she couldn't wait. I mean, she was not sleeping, just knowing that the people were out there, cold and no food. And so this is something that I personally witnessed. And so this is the reason why when she invited me, I know what she's all about, and I've seen what she has done. So that's why, you know, like for me, it's like, you know, I don't need no one else to tell me because I already have the proof right there. She already demonstrated everything and, you know, take her time, go to Haiti and spend her money to go and help the people there and spend even more time there, and when she come back again, you know, still sending things to Haiti, to the people in Haiti. So I will witness it personally. So yes, this is a woman with a big heart, with big vision, and when I've met her, you know, it's like, you know, for her, this is, if she doesn't realize that this is something, she will feel like, you know, like something is missing. This is her big vision in life. Let's put it this way. Yes, she will talk. If she talks to you a few minutes, she will tell you, this is my vision. I cannot wait to really help my people, to really help deliver, you know, the people in Haiti, because, you know, I don't feel like, you know, what's going on is really helping the people. So I see it personally. So whatever she said here, she will go 100% and do it, because like she's done it before. Yes.
Whoever wants to participate in giving, you're free to do. If you don't feel like doing it, you just don't force yourself. But one thing I know, there is somebody called Jehovah Jireh. He's always there, always fulfill his statements. So I suggest you to partake in this association, and then you will be blessed. A good measure, shaken, pressed down, will be yours. Anyway, me personally, I don't give God to give me back. He doesn't have to give me back anything, because he already gave me eternal life. Because I want to see Abraham. The Bible said about Abraham, about Sarai, her name was changed, mother of many nations. It was Sarai, she called later on Sarah. I want to see Adam, Eve. We're going to see everybody. So, but we have to be in the midst of, you know, we have to understand the Word of God and humble ourselves to have part in that feast, great feast that will be coming soon. We don't know. Since I was a baby, 2, 3, and look all I heard, Jesus is coming. But we have to be updating. We have to be, you know, every day walking in a condition to see, because we don't know when life is going to be end. When death happens, it's happened for many. It will happen for us one day. But as God said, He gave us 120. Few of us get there. Few. But I'm telling you, me, I will make it. Just believe God. Believe the word. You doesn't have to do big things. Just believe the word. And then surely you will overcome. Surely you will get you to your destiny. I believe that this is my destiny. She knows me since 3 years old. We were in kindergarten together. We separated after 19, when we reached 19, and then 10 years or 8 years ago, I was sweeping. I like to work, I like to fix things, I like to do things, to change things. I heard something, go to Nicole's house. I said, oh God, I met her, she never called me, I never called her, but we share phone numbers. So when I called her, I said, I don't know what's going on. She was very, she didn't want to speak to me. And then after a while she said, Josette said, I have a problem, let me tell you. And I said, we're going to go to God to pray. And she had to talk. Victory after victory. So like I said earlier to my friend, I don't identify myself as a prophet, but I am. When I speak the word, we all should be a prophet. But the lack of, I cannot say knowledge or faith, or because some people have to see God. You don't have to see. God is holy. Me and you, we are imperfect, you know. We cannot see him. Only by faith. By faith only. There is no other. I'm going to Haiti by faith. I don't think about money. Some people said you're going to need 300,000, 100,000. A lot of money, but it's not matter. It's the willing. You want to go. You put your one step, and then God will do 99. So, as my friend just spoke, I met her 1 year ago, and her husband. So we became friends. So we have spoken a lot. She prayed for me, and I prayed for her. So I think I'm not bragging that I am this, I'm that. I want people to see. When you see, and then that make me make more efforts. So just do what is in your heart, and publier all over the place. By Paola, by dans nos meetings, telle femme qui a besoin, qui a une vision. Et puis après, c'est ça qu'on va faire. This time, Haiti must be changed. Now, something must be done. Parce que son jouet allait venir. L'argent, ça a besoin. Je ne peux pas comprendre moi-même. Deux fois, je dormi, je me réveillé, je pense au monde qui n'a pas manger pour le manger. Je peux passer 2-3 ans, 2-3 jours, 4 jours. Je me dis, mais qui nous vivons? Oh, le bon Dieu voit quoi nous vivons. Je passe 3-4 jours sans manger, ça peut faire mal. Le maladie, je ne vais pas manger. Pour ça, parce que la vie nous est comme ça. Une fois, je me dis, non, l'homme ne vit pas seulement de pain, mais de toute parole qui sort de la bouche de Dieu. Donc, mettez, levez matin, baigner, parfumer quoi, et puis mettez là où il y a. Pas pour faire mon grand goût. Bon Dieu, pas aimer ça. L'homme a montré faiblesse. Bon Dieu, aimer des hommes forts, des hommes qui sont capables, et des femmes aussi. So, c'est pour raison ça qui fait me prendre des décisions. Ça me prend 10 ans, moi. Jean, je me dis ça, 2 ans de ça, Jean. Josette, what are you going to do? Go in politics. Go to your retirement. Build a nice house in Haiti. Let's go together. I said, no, Jean. My heart I cannot see people suffer. It's me, I cannot. So, pa gen an pil moun nan, men ti sa gen, nan fe un boucan du fe avek. E pou nou kapab, du fe a kapab expand. Kon du fe a expand, so moun ap konen, moun ap rentre, bon di ap bayo intelligence, bon di ap bayo, ap ouvri kè yo. Paske gen yon wa, David, peuple Israël, te vin assujetti. David dit, même pas contre qui mon moyen, pas contre qui ça me fait, pour peuple là temps apprécier comme ça. Parce que bon Dieu mettait dans le peuple là pour embrasser David. Et ça fait du chose, j'ai reconnu en David un homme selon mon cœur. Parce que le David péché, il connaît le péché. Lorsqu'on fait un bagage qui n'est pas bon, c'est pour vous, elle pas bon. Ou bon conscience. La conscience. C'est pour conscience. Nous, toute la grande, nous ne pouvons pas venir battre, nous ne pouvons pas venir dans la prison, mais bon conscience. Nous petit bagage comme ça. À cause, on chute pour dans la vie. L'homme travaille, qui côté au aller, il y a de côté au privé. L'argent pas qu'à faire pour vous, non? C'est bon Dieu. I'm stepping. Let me step in for you. C'est bon Dieu pas comme back son bon Dieu grand, qui fidèle, qui puissant, et puis lui juste. Mais sous d'or font bagaille, bon Dieu punit, bon proverbe qui dit bon Dieu, et un papa, un châtier petit lui remet, c'est pour correction. Voilà. Bon Dieu corrige mon pile. Il corrige mon pile, en pile. Là, ça peut-être d'aller dans loin dans le monde là. Même m'te gen caractère familial, maman, papa, Jean m'te raise, pas capable de faire n'importe bagaille. Et ça fait m'te toujours qu'un des vimes, strict. Malgré ça, le diable, Satan, he don't care who you are, how much you want to keep yourself, or how much money you have, or what your race, your color, la patate yo. But jamais comprendre. Satan c'était aussi puissant. Mais le m'vin connaît, I'm telling you, he has to subject it under my feet. In the name of Jesus Christ de Nazareth. So, continue yo ballon nan men nou, et de prier. So, par exemple, if you cannot give, you pray. Pray for Sister Josette. Parce que faut aller faire ça, nous devons faire. Faut que tout le monde soit capable d'aller à l'école. Faut que tout le monde ait une table pour chita manger la caille, pour un petit réfrigérateur. Pour qu'on bosse ça. Dans les gens qui sont dans le ministère, I give them toothbrush. What can I do? They don't know what to do with that. On dit un toothbrush, brosser bouchon. Je vais vous une petite boîte de médicaments. Qui ça pour me faire avec? Nous n'avons pas. Même là, pas habitué, mais pour ouvrir, this is a little box for medicine. For intelligence, parce que bon Dieu, il souffle la ville. So. Connaissance qui est en fort, nous venons perdre connaissance après la chute de nos grands-parents Adam et Ève. Mais quand même, somebody came. Il marchait sous terre. Il fait 3 ans et demi. Il a éduqué 12 messieurs. Dans 12 ans, il y a une qui fait certain. Mais 11 ans, c'est ça que fait. Et ça fait qu'on y a l'évangile est éparpillé partout. Son monde ne pas attendre. Il n'est pas fort pour Dieu parce que pas mettre bâton sur le monde. Ça me gagne même. Ce n'est pas prêcher, mais il faut sagesse, mon Dieu, vie sociale, que le ban moi. Je suis capable de passer là dans l'autre monde pour nous avoir une génération meilleure. Parce que the girls, 14, 15 years, they are bringing food for their parents in the house. What they do, take men, married men, and make sure they get. Non. C'est comme ça qu'ils ont fait, ils n'ont pas quitter maman, ils vont mourir. Mais moi-même, je ne peux pas faire. Par contre, il y en a l'un dans la ça, parce que l'instruction que nous recevons, mais parents pas capable de aucun moral qu'on y a, parce que nous avons besoin grand goût en Dieu pour eux. Mais moi-même, c'est un grand goût de bagages pas fait. Parce que l'on cherche l'esprit bon Dieu, the Spirit of God in you. You can do all things through Christ that strengthens you. What we need, only the Spirit. If you have the Spirit of God on you, young lady, you will have the victory and you will overcome to do such work. I don't know why she take you with her. It's to see, to hear, and then to go. So, like Daniel said, this is my line. To help, I like to help. Thank you for listening.
You okay?
Yeah.